InterswitchSPAK is an IntersWitch Switch a Future initiative.
My name is Fale Oluwatoba. I am from the Ambassadors College, Ottawa, Ogun State.
My name is Bongi Rafaela from St. Margaret's International School, Port Harcourt, Rivers.
My name is Olaoluwa Yimika Bada and I'm from Modern Secondary School by Ondo State.
My name is Emmanuel Great from St. Margaret's High School, Port Harcourt, Rivers State.
My name is Jubi Dokun. I am from Greenfield College, Salolo, Lagos State.
My name is Dadalu Asho from Divine Step College, Orile, Lagos.
My name is Chukwemeka Douglas from St. Patrick's College, Oka, Anambra State.
My name is Jesse Mario Emefile from St. Augustine's College, Jos, Plateau State.
My name is Ezekiel Samuel from Dawiti International Secondary School, Abia State.
Solve a real problem and the world is yours. Aaron Padza. Welcome to another preliminary episode of Nigeria's best STEM competition, InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0. Proudly brought to you by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. Over 18,000 senior secondary school students from about 1,800 schools across Nigeria wrote the qualifying examination via our Croc CBT platform. Out of these huge numbers, only 81 of them with the highest scores have now made it to this stage of the competition, and I have 9 of them. I cannot wait for us to jump right in, but first, it is time for us to celebrate our SPAK hero.
Hobby turned vocation. That is the story of Jelani Aliu, the lead exterior designer at General Motors, credited with the design of the Chevrolet Volt, adjudged America's revolution in the car design line. Born in 1966 in Kaduna, his innate flair for drawing was first noticed at the Federal Government College, Sokoto, where he won the Best Student in Technical Drawing in 1983 and later won Best Student in Architecture from Birin Kebbi Polytechnic in 1988. Armed with a degree in automobile from the College of Creative Studies, Detroit in 1994, General Motors was his next port of call. In appreciation for his accomplishments, Jelani Aliu has received so many awards, including the conferment of National Award of the Member of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in 2012. Like Jelani, we believe there are lots of potentials in our children. Let's invest in our future. Let's spark them up.
That is truly phenomenal. I'm sure that our young scientists are inspired to do more. Great.
Yes, sir.
Word around says that you're a singer. Can you describe how you are feeling in a song?
'Cause I'm happy, come along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Well done, great, well done. I have 2 girls and 7 boys. Bella, I'm going to come to you right now. I like the way you're smiling. So how does it feel to be one of the 2 girls in this episode of the competition?
I feel very happy to be here because one of my aims in this life is to give girls a stand, show the world that we can do anything we choose to do, not just one thing like choosing a girl to do science or go and act because she's a girl or something. I want to show that ladies can do anything they want to do if they really put their mind to it.
And that is true girl power. Well done, Super SPAKs. InterswitchSPAK is played in 2 levels, Foundation and Advanced. In the Foundation round, our 9 Super SPAKs have equal chances to attempt 16 general science questions within a 15-second window. Marks will be awarded based on individual accuracy and speed. For questions in this round, the first 5 Super SPAKs to get the correct answer will earn a maximum of 10 points, while others with the correct answer to the same question will earn 5 points. Please note, that an incorrect answer earns you no points. At the end of the foundation round, only 5 of you with the highest cumulative scores and time will proceed to the advanced round. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
The foundation round starts right now. Question 1. Which of these provides support in young herbaceous plants? Is it glutathione? Is it transmolysis, osmosis, or turgidity? Which of these provides support in young herbaceous plants? Correct option is D. Question 2. What change in velocity will a 200 Newton force give to a 50 kilogram mass in 4 seconds? Is it 4 meters per second, 1 meter per second, 20 meters per second, or 16 meters per second? The correct option is D. Super Sparks, you can see how you fared in that particular question. Question 3. Metals can form all the following types of oxides, except what? Is it amphoteric oxides, basic oxides, peroxides, acidic oxides? Metals can form all of the following types of oxides except what? Correct option is D. Acidic oxides. Sheun, Grates, Bella, and Samuel. You'll do better next time, all right? And to the rest of you, you all have 10 points each. Question 4. The part labeled 9 is called the what of a microscope? A. Lens. B. Arm. C. Mirror. D. Adjustment knob. Great. You didn't provide your answer within 15 seconds. This competition is all about speed and accuracy. All right? Sheun, Samuel, and Bella, you provided the incorrect answer. You'll do great next time. And to the rest of the Super Sparks, well done. Question 5. X% of Y plus Y% of X equals what? 2% of 100XY, X% of Y, 2% of XY, 20% of XY. Only Sheun and Ola gave us the right answer. Sheun, how did you arrive at your answer?
If you do x over 100 times y plus y over 100 and solve it, that's it.
Well done. Question 6. A rechargeable electric cell that converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called what? Storage cell, primary cell, electroscope, standard cell. Correct option is B. Congratulations to Jubril, Samuel, Great, and Douglas. Question 7. Which of these is not a lever? Forearm, chisels, crowbar, pliers. Options: forearm, chisels, crowbar, pliers. Correct option is B. And all our Super Sparks except Bella, Douglas, and Samuel gave us the correct answer. Question 8. What is the area of the triangle shown? 36 centimeters square, 28 centimeters square, 46 centimeters square, 14 centimeters square. Oh wow, this is interesting. The correct option is D. We're now halfway through the foundation round. The foundation round continues after this break. Welcome back. This is InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0, proudly brought to you by IntersWitch. Transaction solutions you can depend on. Before we went on the break, our Super SPAKs have attempted 8 questions in the foundation round. Now it is time for them to finish off with the next set of 8 questions. Question 9. Which species is oxidized in the reaction shown? AG, AgNO3, ZnNO3, all into 2, Zn. Which species is oxidized in the reaction shown? Congratulations to you, Jubril, Jesse, Toba, and Douglas, and of course, Ola, for providing the correct answer. Question 10. Which of these is not a component of appendicular skeleton? A, pelvic girdle, B, atlas, C, femur, or D, ulna? Which of these is not a component of the appendicular skeleton? Toba, how did you arrive at your answer?
Well, pelvic girdle, femur, and ulna are all components of the appendicular skeleton. Atlas, on the other hand, is a component of the axial skeleton.
So you just selected the odd one out?
Yes, sir.
And that is correct. Atlas is not a component. Question 11. Which of the following quantities is not a force? A, electrostatic, B, strain, C, upthrust, D, reaction. Which of the following quantities is not a force? Correct option is B, strain. Great, Shaun, Bella, Ola. Good luck in the next question. And to the rest of you, well done. Question 12. The first and the fifth term of a GP are 16 and 81 respectively. Find the common ratio. Is it 3/4, 3/2, 2/3, or 1/3? Correct option is B. Question 13. What means of heat transfer is indicated by the part labeled K? A, conduction, B, evaporation, C, radiation, D, convection. What means of heat transfer is indicated by the part labeled K? Correct answer is convection. You can see where you are and how you answered the question. Question 14. Which of the following processes is not an example of a reflex action? Is it sneezing? Is it heartbeat, breathing, or eye blinking? Which of the following process is not an example of a reflex action? Well done to all our Super SPAKs. They provided the correct answer. Question 15. Basic oxides are generally oxides of what? Halogens, carbon, metals, or non-metals? Basic oxides are generally oxides of what? This is going to be a tough one, a very tough one, because all our Super SPAKs got the correct answer. Final question, question 16. The mean of 2 numbers is xy. If one number is x, what is the other number? Is it y/2, 2xy minus x, x into y minus 1, or y? You can see whether you got the answer or not. It's still InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0. Our Super SPAKs just completed the foundation round. When we come back, I will announce the 5 of them that will be making it to the advanced round.
The good life is whatever you want it to be.
Excuse me, can I get another one to take away, please? Thank you.
Choose Verve for the good life.
Welcome back to InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0. Proudly brought to you by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. Before we went on the break, our Super SPAKs just completed the foundation round. It is now time for the moment of truth. I only need 5 to make it to the advanced round. The big question is, which 5? Douglas.
Yes, you.
How would you say you've performed in the foundation round?
Very bad.
What do you like to do at your spare time?
I like drumming.
You like drumming? The beauty of life is that life comes with challenges, and sometimes we don't always get what we want. So Douglas, I'm afraid to inform you that you will have more time for drumming, as your InterswitchSPAK journey continues. Congratulations. You just made it to the advanced round. And joining Douglas in the advanced round with a total of 130 points at the first position is Toba, followed by Jubril, followed by Jesse and Ola, and of course, Douglas. To the rest of the Super SPAKs, I would like to thank you for coming on this competition. Don't forget, you are always a star. Continue to spark. Your spark journey ends here. We have 5 Super SPAKs, but only 3 of them can make it to the semi-final stage of this competition. Super SPAKs, welcome to the advanced round. Here, each of you would have the opportunity to select your preferred subject areas from where questions will be asked. You will all take turns to select 15 questions, all right? Now, after the turn, you have exactly 45 seconds to attempt your 15 questions. Also note that your scores in the foundation round do not count here, all right? Super SPAKs, today's take-a-turn is a puzzle, and here comes the take-a-turn puzzle. Match each of the following processes with the appropriate examples. The processes are catabolism, anabolism, catalysts, reproduction, and the examples are fragmentation, digestion, photosynthesis, and enzymes. Please try and match the items on the right to the items on the left. Only the items on the right can move up and down, so just slide it up and down to match. Oh yes, we have Ola is the first, followed by Toba and Jubril is third. We're waiting on Jesse and Douglas. Very confident they will solve this puzzle soon. Just move the items on your right, up and down to match the items on the left. And there we have it. They've all solved the puzzle, and we have our order of play. Jubril, what would you like to study at the university?
Electrical engineering.
Why?
Because I can apply the knowledge I get from there to like solve power problem in Nigeria, and also to like create better power solutions generally to the world.
That's truly amazing. We cannot wait for you to fix our power issues in this country. Well done, Jubril. Ola, are you ready to spark?
My name is Ola Oluwayemika and I'm ready to spark.
Well, this is your time to spark. Which radioactive rays are very fast streams of electrons?
Skip.
What type of oxide is calcium oxide?
Acid and basic.
Ozone is represented in what chemical symbol? What part of the brain play a major role in balance and posture?
Cerebellum.
DNA combined from 2 or more sources are called what?
Skip.
Summer sleep in animals is called what?
Hibernation.
Find x if 3 brackets open 2x plus
Skip.
2. For what values of x is brackets open x raised to power 2 minus 4 all over x raised to power 2 plus 5x plus 6 on
0.
Convert to
skip.
That was the last question. Well done, Ola.
My name is Oluwatobafale, and I am ready to spark.
Now is your time to spark. What is the relative molecular mass of carbon dioxide?
44.
Any atom or group of atoms which possesses an electric charge
Radical.
stem. What is the mass of 1 mole of hydrogen?
2.
Which juice in the body contains enzyme thiolane?
Salivary.
The proximal and distal
Nephron.
convolute. What is the name of the tissue that covers?
Conjunctiva.
Deficiency of thiamine causes
Beriberi.
an alternative
Allergy.
one seeded fruit that has its pericarp fused to the seed coat is known as
Caryopsis.
what refers to the fractional increase in volume per Kelvin rise in temperature in a substance?
Skip.
What refers to the quantitative measure of inertia? What refers to the distance between two successive points in phase of a wave? It's your last question.
Wavelength.
Well done, Toba.
My name is Jubidoku and I'm ready to spark.
Now is your time to spark. What salt is formed when HCl is completely neutralized by KOH?
KCl.
Determine the pH of 0.0. What is the mass of chlorine in 1 mole of hydrogen chloride?
36.5.
The exoskeleton in man is made
86.
of. What is the haploid number of chromosome in human?
26.
The midbrain, pons, and the medulla oblongata makes up.
Pass.
What type of heat transfer can travel
Radiation.
through? What is the impulse on a stationary ball struck by?
Pass.
What phenomenon is demonstrated
Expansivity.
Evaluate 4a raised to power.
Pass.
Express brackets 2x minus
Pass.
1. Convert.
Pass.
Well done, Jubril.
My name is Chukwuemeka Douglas and I am ready to spark.
Now is your time to spark. The chemical symbol Mn represents which element?
Magnesium.
0.5 gram of a salt saturates 100 centimeter cube of water at room temperature. Find its solubility.
50.
What is the chemical formula for caustic soda?
NaOH.
Solve for the inequality 1 plus 3x is less than 10.
X is less than 3.
What is the value of?
Pass.
Find the derivative of root 2x.
Pass.
What is the value of x for which 3x squared?
Pass.
Rationalize 6 over root 2.
6 root 2 over 2.
If 25a plus 25b equals 125, what is the mean of a and b?
25.
You can take your time, is the last question.
25b plus 25b. That's 5.
Well done, Douglas. Well done.
My name is Jessimario Emefiele and I'm ready to spark.
Now is your time to spark. How many protons are in the atom of
7.
nitrogen? What is the relative molecular mass of
32.
oxygen gas? In the compound water, what is the molar
2 to
ratio
1.
of? What term refers to the defect caused by the formation of hydrogen bubbles in a simple
Polarization.
cell? What generally refers to materials that allow currents to?
Conductors.
What is the frequency that makes 24 cycles in 0.2 seconds?
48.
Find
Pass.
f of minus
Pass.
1 if f of x equal. What is the area of triangle with
Pass.
base? Find the end term of the GP.
Pass.
Black fly is a vector of which?
River blindness.
Rinderpest disease of a farm animal is caused by what?
Bacteria.
Well done, Jesse. Our super sparks have done their very best at the advanced level, but I need only 3 of them to make it to the semi-final stage of the competition. Find out who after the break.
Penicillin, ethanol, flour, sugar, glue, whiskey, cornstalk, starch, oil, livestock feed, all from corn. You will discover endless opportunities when you search deeper, and to enjoy their full worth, you need an innovative payment solutions partner that creates value from the obvious and sees opportunity in the not so obvious.
IntersWitch. Transaction solutions you can depend on.
Welcome back to InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0, proudly brought to you by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. Before the break, you saw our 5 Super SPAK play in the advanced level, but it is now time for the moment of truth. Only 3 of them can make it to the semi-finals. Jubril, how do you think you've fared so far?
Relatively good.
But you'll know that other Super SPAKs did perform better than you. But this is where your SPAK journey continues. Congratulations, you're through to the semi-finals. Also joining Jubril with a total of 200 points is Toba. Toba, you actually topped the chat, followed by Jesse with 100 points. Jesse, you were not expecting it.
I was a bit tense.
You were tense. Well, with 100 points, you are at the second position, all right? And then Jubril, you scored 80 points. So congratulations, Toba, Jesse, and Jubril. And to you, my dear Ola and Douglas, do not be discouraged. Continue reading your books, and I'm sure you will spark up the innovator in you. But this is where your SPAK journey ends. Well done. Congratulations to Jubril, Toba, and Jesse. They have made it to the semi-final stage of this competition. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at InterswitchSPAK to join in on all the fun. And let us keep this conversation going. My name is Hero Daniels, and don't forget, the heights great men achieve is not just by sudden flight. Therefore, excellence is not an action, but a habit. See you same time, same station next week. Bye.
InterswitchSPAK is an Interswitch Switch a Future in